Hey everyone, hopefully you're having a good day. My name's Andy. My channel's Finding Value. Today we're going to talk about uranium, do our daily technical analysis of it. I'll give you my financial opinion, and we'll jump right into it. So I got the futures contract price. Looks like we had a little bit of selling pressure today, down $2. Could we come down to the top of this, do a retest? We very well could. And the short term is the least reliable. So this thing's bouncing around on a weekly perspective. Looking at the Sprott Physical Uranium Trust, we are selling off. We could come back to this support line and do a full retest. We could also pull back even further. This is starting to look like that famous pattern that you get that looks like that. See it all over the place. URNM getting more of a sell-off today. We're down to 60.66. Our other line of supports down here at 50 something bucks. And again, let's look at the let's go to the fib retracement. If I were to use this as our line, we are coming down to 0.5. 0.5 is right here. The 0.618 retracement level is down at 50 bucks. So I do think that we are heading lower, and we could potentially even go past the 50th percentile and head towards the 0.618 level, which is a common retracement level, and that's about $50. CCJ selling on off back to our support level. We're right on that support. We'll see if it holds tomorrow. We've got Bannerman selling off a little bit today. We are still above the support line. We'll see what happens. That is a little bloody nose. Goviax, small little sell-off day today. We are still above support, and we'll see if that support holds tomorrow. Global Atomic, we're right on support. Again, we're going to see if all these support lines hold. If they don't, we are going to come back. And our next support level for Global Atomic is more like down here, $1.79. We've got Forces Metals. Again, we could get a full retest all the way back to 22 cents. And if we get down there, I'll buy it again down there. But right now, I'm just holding on. Pure Point Uranium heading a little bit lower, down 8%. We've got Deep Yellow heading a little bit lower. That is also sitting on support. You can also draw, not going to draw that going across there. Paladin, right at support. We'll see if that support holds. Everything's on support, guys. Sky Harbor, right above support. Going across. We've got Canalaska selling off. It is heading lower. That's not looking too good. We've got support. Support's a little ways away. This could drop a little bit for Canalaska. Next Gen Energy, we are sitting below this support line, and we've got another support line below it at about $360, $370, 3.7. Base load moving sideways right on the support line. We've got a couple of support areas, and we'll see if that holds. Fission 3.0 selling all the way back off almost to the support line, down at 7 cents. Fission's right on support almost. We've got Kazatomprom getting a little bit of buying pressure, not much though. Peninsula Energy pulling on back. I got the bottom of the little pullback box here. I'm going to have to move it over here. Boss Energy. We got that nice little pattern that I always see. You pull up, come down, and then you do this. Like that. So I think we're getting close. Sitting on support almost. Consolidated Uranium sitting on support. We'll see if that holds. Everything's sitting on support, guys. Most everything's sitting on support. A little bit more selling pressure in Lotus. Uroy starting to sell off. Now, I mean, guys, it could go lower here. We're starting to break these support lines. And, oh man, trying to drag that lower. 1 second. We've got another strong support level, kind of in this general vicinity, 230. And we're going to see if that holds. Encore Energy, right at support. We've got UU got on the support is what you got. This momentum is strong, though, guys. It is strong. I don't like seeing this type of momentum. big momentum, slight move higher, big momentum. And usually, I mean, maybe we get one last little thing, and maybe we got to work this momentum off, guys. It's quite strong here, and we're still selling off with force here, and the retail guys are getting out of here probably, if there is any left. UEC selling on off. Maybe we can make the full round trip down to 260 or so. LEU also selling off. We're hitting this last line of support down here. It is selling off below it. We have not broken this downtrend, guys. All we're doing is breaking support levels. So be careful out there with Centris. LTBR right above support. We've got ISO Energy, another one that's on the support area. We'll see if that holds. If we start breaking down, you could see further downside. Appia Energy, right on support, and we'll see if that support holds. They're all on supports, guys. We're on life supports. Life supports. Well, this one's actually, oh, come on. Let's go this way. I mean, it's somewhere in that range, guys. We're right in that support zone. We'll see if that holds. Coming on down for blue sky uranium. Forum Energy Metals is heading lower. This has got some good support underneath it, though, so we'll see if that can hold up. Anfield, a rare up day out of the group here. Laramide, right at this. There's support under here too. In this general vicinity, there's support through here. Not much though. Western Uranium Vanadium actually up today. That's a rare sighting in the uranium sector today. Right at support for UEXCF. We'll see if that holds. Otherwise, we could be heading lower. Mega Uranium selling on off. This has got a lot of momentum. That's a bearish engulfing. Yeah, it looks like it wants to go lower. Standard Uranium heading a little bit lower. We've got ALXEF sideways. Valor Metals right at support. Elevate kind of going sideways, doing the bearish or bullish hammer type pattern right on the support line. Hopefully this support holds. And 92E, another bullish hammer moving sideways. So overall, we're shedding a lot of dollars here. Lots of companies are heading lower. And you know what? If the supports don't hold and we continue to head lower, yeah, we could have a very large pullback here, guys. And again, I'm still in the energy and uranium thesis as being bullish. But the pullbacks here, looks like people don't want to own these stocks. That's literally what it says. And I'm just holding on. I'm not doing anything. I'm going to be holding on to my shares. I am and will not be jumping in front of this train to the downside, the momentum, until I see buying pressure and it starts to turn around. So, you know, I'm just kind of waiting. I'm not doing anything. I'm just holding on. If you guys like the analysis, give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Go to my Platinum website. Check out my Platinum website. I should say, check out the website. Sign up to the Platinum membership. Then you can check out all the stuff I've got on there if you've got a Platinum membership. And you can see my opinions on everything. I've got a whole bunch of different data on there and investing information and education. And then I also share the things that I'm looking at and what I'm interested in. So I'm giving a midweek update today. I'll release that to the channel. And yeah, that's all I've got. So we'll catch you next time. This is Finding Value.